All right, so I thought I'd start off out here where we're actually going to have our bird camera set up. And this is our setup here. You can see we have our bird feeder. We have our bird bath down here. We get a lot of different birds that come right to this area. We have another little hanging bird house over here that we'll probably move so that we can see it better in this location. But we're set up here. I'm going to take you inside and go over this a little bit and talk about it. You can see on your camera here, you're actually going to have two places where you can attach this. So you have the attachment on the back, the way we have it. Also on the bottom here, depending on how you're going to be using it, you could have it pointing straight down or have it attached to something else on top. You can see we have our solar panel up here, and we got a full charge on our camera. We got a little cover on, so we are going to get this in action, try and capture some footage of some cool birds that visit our area, and we'll let you check it out. So let's take a look at a couple of the birds that visit our yard. These are a male and female cardinal, really pretty birds. Also, I wanted to thank the company for sending this out so that we could capture this footage, show you how this works, and just how beautiful these birds are. But let's go ahead and take a look, get it out of the box, show you some of the pieces and how it goes together. This is by Rich Bird. This is the Real Look Smart Bird Watching Station. So everything you're going to get here, you're going to get this little roof cover that's going to be mounted over your camera, and you are going to get this solar panel that's going to be perched on top of the pole, and you are going to get your poles. Real easy assembly. Just to show you a little bit, we're going to take you out to the yard and show you where we're going to put this and how we're going to use it and the birds that we're going to be watching. But real simple, twist your poles together. This is going to be your adjustable camera mount. So you can put this anywhere you want up and down the pole, as well as adjust the little roof to cover the camera on there. And then at the top, you're going to have a pole with that screw piece in it. Screw that on, twist on your solar panel, stake it into the ground, move it around, put it wherever you want it. Really cool. Camera, real nice, clean, on and off. Right here, you're going to open this up. You're going to have a place for your memory card, reset, on and off button, everything you need. And then also you're going to have an app. The app's free, so you can have a full device control, so 24/7. You can share this with global community. People watching birds all over the place share your videos. They can share theirs. It identifies birds, which is really cool. We have a lot of birds in North Carolina, so it's like crazy. Also the birdhouse group, so you can invite friends, family, all kinds of stuff.